what's the deal, YouTube? How y'all doing out there? Hope anybody that's watching this video, any and everybody that's watching this video, I hope you're having a really blessed day and good day out there, because good days are coming. I know the pandemic got us all the way messed up, but this video is about my dad's Notchback. He just got it back out the shop, so we about to go see it, and I'm gonna get right into the video because I didn't film us driving there. I just only filmed when we got there. So, one moment. My dad, my pops, this is where I get all my car enthusiastic effort from. He's been into cars his whole life. He's not just one brand sided, like he don't like just one brand of cars. He had a Chevy Camaro, he had Mustangs, he had a Chevelle, he had everything. I think he had Chevy and for majority of his life. Never had Dodge, it's not that he disliked Dodge, but he just never had it. So he has a Notchback that he may be coming out of retirement, maybe, because my dad was an old school street racer, and I think he's ready to come play like he used to and run at the track. So I just wanted to tell y'all that, give y'all a little fun fact about me. You know, he the one got me started with cars, and he'll tell you to this day that since I was a kid, I always said I wanted a Mustang. No matter what, I don't know. He had a Camaro, I loved his Camaro, but just a Mustang, I always wanted one. And I got one, but now I want a newer one. Y'all, look at this beautiful car right here. Look at this. I know what that is. Sexy. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful.
They did. I had my boy.
This car is so beautiful.
What are those for?
Deja, how my car sound? It's ready to go. I just gotta go pay the tax. Speaking of that, I gotta go pay my your insurance. No. I think they suspended the dang tax because my insurance didn't get to them fast enough. I called him and everything.
Just getting
so
it back.
I think it's having some issues, but if anything, you might have to switch the regulator out and put a bypass regulator.
Big Dion.
Okay.
And you just run it straight back to the front.
Okay. But it'll run home?
Yeah, you straight now.
Bro, I gotta replace.
Check it out.
Here it is.
Let me know when you ready for. You want me to come in this week or next week?
Beautiful.
I gotta do the same shit with his shit with y'all. My buddy. I gotta do it.
I'm going mix right now. At the front. I don't know if I should go skinny. I don't know if I want to go skinny though. The man, the myth, the legend. Big Dion. Nah, it look real clean over here.
It's good. This is good.
Oh, it's beautiful.
You cameraing it? Motor and everything?
It's a beautiful Mustang.
What she had? What kind of car she had?
Oh, she had a Mustang. She just had me do a compression test.
Oh, you did?
All right,
Oh, she
JJ
drove it
doing
up,
your
okay.
thing, man.
It runs good. She said, you gonna do a leak out? Make it boost. From launch to like first, second year. It was.
You sure you want it, man? Look at MSD on it. It's a stick too.